Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, you have to go into Play Store. Now type iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. Click. Open it. Click while using the app, then Allow, and tap Home button. Over here you need to tap on iOS Launcher and select Always. Lastly, click Got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!